everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix stuck downloads on the Xbox app for Windows. There are a couple of different steps, so try not to skip them. The first step, of course, is to pause the download, then restart the download once again, but I'm sure you have done that already. The next step is to close and restart the Xbox app. You want to make sure it is closed out completely by clicking this in your thing and clicking quit and then restarting once again. The next thing you might want to try is to reset the Xbox app. So in the search bar here, type in settings, go down to apps, from installed apps on the very top, look for Xbox right here. And then click on the three little dots, click on advanced options, and from here, click on the reset button to clear the app's cache and data. You want to do the same thing, go back to apps, go to installed apps, and this time click search for gaming services by Microsoft Corporation. Again, click on the three dots, click on advanced options, and from here, this time you want to click on repair and reset and see if that fixes the issue. The next step, you want to go to settings. You want to scroll down for Windows Update, and you want to make sure that your Windows is updated and see if that fixes any issues that might have. Because its Xbox app is a Microsoft thing, it does get updated via the Windows Update, so make sure that your Windows Update is updated to the newest version. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go into search, type in run. And then once you type in run, you want to type in wsreset.exe, hit enter. So this will open a command prompt and close it immediately, and then it will launch the Microsoft Store. And that might fix the issue. The next thing you want to do is look for the game in the Microsoft Store. By the way, you can go to the Microsoft Store by typing Microsoft Store in the search. And for example, let's look at Doom the Dark Ages. You click on this, and from the Microsoft Store directly, you should be able to install the game. So this will bypass any issues you might have with the Game Pass, and you can install and run the game directly from the Microsoft Store. And that is it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.